Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's technology tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn Nextcloud step by step with the configuration with the system security. How to secure our Nextcloud in our system. Okay. So first page we have seen the installation of Nextcloud. Second page we have done the performance tuning, and third one is the final phase. Okay, phase 3 will be there. Phase 3, the system security. So here we'll install the SSL and enable HTTP2, enable the strict transport security, and enable the pretty URLs and access the protection with firewall. So in this page, we'll just install the SSL. So SSL will just install the chatbot, chatbot. So here first, let me check with the IP address. So IP address is 141. We have already installed the Nextcloud. Okay, so 141 you can able to see there is a Nextcloud. I'm able to log in with the Nextcloud. This is I'm able to log in. This is my login screen, dashboard screen, and file is there, photos is there, other things are there. So here I am able to log in. So now we'll do the installation of chatbot. There is a Let's Encrypt. So with the certbot tool, let's request a certificate for our domain, execute the command. So just assume that I have a domain. Just assume that nextcloud.chirags.in. Chirags.in already I have a domain, and I'm just requesting a domain for this. So I'm just for the testing purpose, I'm doing this one. So you have requested. It needs the email address. So just assume that I am giving the email address. So this is a term and condition is provide the let's encrypt. So do you want to agree? Terms conditions you can able to click and you able to read this term and conditions. Yes, there is a would you like to billing the first certificate to successful issue? Share the email address with the EFF. You will get a mail with the this one. That is a non-profit organization that develops a chatbot. Yes, requesting certificate for the Nextcloud account register. So there is some challenges I did maximum time, so that's why I'm getting some failed. So you won't get this one. So this is assume that this is register. Now provide the email and accept the terms, and there is a Nextcloud SSL. So run this command. So need to the Nextcloud desktop for that. Okay. I need to just install this one. So this will be installed with that, and enable the Apache HTTP2 for the this enabling the HTTP2 here, and restart this one. Here in the last part, uh, in this configuration part, I'm going to use one. I'm creating one the this one SSL configuration file. Let me copy this one. S SSH DPT at the rate 192.168.224.141. Okay. So let me go to the particular folder ll, and we have don't have the SSL file. So let me get the configuration file from sites available. There is SSL file. So cat default.ssl. I'm copying this one. I've done for the this one. So there is a document root will be html/nextcloud. Go through the documentation. So here I will add the protocol. So I'm adding this protocol. Okay. Now restart the Apache. So let me copy this one. Move this one to sites enable. So mv cd // sites enable. So mv nextcloud to // site available. Okay. Here I am able to see the my configuration file. So a to en site nextcloud.ssl. So automatically it is going to the my this folder. So previously this file was not there. So I have just linked this file from there. So after that I'm going to restart my Apache. Okay, done. So after restarting that, if you have a domain exists, then you can check with the this command. So this command will give you the http/2. So we don't have now. Let me run this one. So grab http because this is not running, so we are not able to see this one. So here we will check this one what error we are getting. So here you can able to check your site is not more information and view certificate. So because of domain, we are not able to find this one, but we have a SSL now. Okay. Next. So these are the policy we'll just add into the my SSL file. On the this SSL file, we can add this file. So you have to add, and last you have to create the base URL. So in the Nextcloud configuration, you have to run this one, and with the default configuration, you can run this configuration file. So in this way, you can just configure the URL. And next, I'm going to disable the SSL for the accessing for now. So a to dis site Nextcloud SSL. Okay. So able to access SSL with the configuration, we can when we provide the domain, it will work. Now I have a one SH code for the IP tables firewall setup. So do one thing, just create one SSH file, SSH file, mm, vi, and here we just put this IP tables related codes. So SSH is starting here, and there is a script ending at last. I'll provide the script. So there you can read all the IP table and firewall information will be there on what are the ports it accept, reject, whatever the things you are allowing, it will show you the all the things. So skip. So done. Now I am giving the permission for this execute permission for that sh file. Now run the sh file. So done. Move this sh file to home dpt as per your convenient, because this is the site, this is a configuration, uh, virtual host configuration folder for Apache. Now save the rule permanently, it will reload across the reboot. So now I'm just installing the IP table persistence net filter. So run this one, copy. So you can able to check the configuration IP table persistent. So whatever the current rule, this is going to override. So enable and start the net filter. So done. Now if you update the rules, and you have to save it so that you can reload the across reboot. So just enabling that, save. And note regarding the SSH port, you should only allow your specific node or network to remote access to your Nextcloud server. So this is completed. So in this video we have learned in phase 3 Nextcloud step-by-step configuration for security, system security, and follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos, and don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.